Hello, this is Andy Leon from the web team. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do registration and login to the website cwds.ca.gov. If you already have a login credential to one of our other websites, the calnet.gov, or one of the portals, such as Data Quality Portal, Training Portal, BI Portal, or Implementation Portal, know that you can use the same login information to log into this website. So if you click on login, you can go ahead and try to use that user ID and password that you've had for the previous website and click the login button. If you forgot your password, you can do a password reset right there. If you're a brand new user and you need to register for a new account, go ahead and click the sign up now button. Know that you'll need to use a approved email domain to do a self-registration. Gmail, Hotmail, or any other public email domain will not work. After you have successfully logged in, on the top left-hand side, you'll notice that a dashboard will pop up. Based on your profiles, with your roles and privileges, you'll see different, for example, I have web admin, and I'm also, in this example, I'm also a single point of contact, a SPOC. So I will have access to edit the county contact list. In my next tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use admin console and access county contact information.